My name is Dr. Shaan, Medical Director of Royal Wharf Clinic. And you might notice that there's a ton of fruits and vegetables on this tray in front of me. Well, these contain a lot of the vitamins and minerals you need to consume every single day for a healthy lifestyle. Now, I don't know about you, but after a long day at work, when I come home, thinking about cooking and making all of these ingredients into a meal fills me with dread, because that's about 2 hours worth of time. But what if there was a quicker way? Before we explain that, let's go through each of the ingredients we have here. And I'm going to list 3 of the most important vitamins that they have in the highest concentrations inside each one. First off, we have a sweet potato. It's high in vitamin B5, vitamin A, and iron. Here we've got an avocado. This is high in zinc, iron, and potassium. This thing over here is a watermelon, which it has selenium, vitamin B5, and iron inside, as well as an absolute ton of water. Really good for hydration. These are green beans, also sometimes known as runner beans. They have vitamin B3, selenium, and vitamin E. This is asparagus. It has vitamin B3, zinc, and B5. The good old egg. It has vitamin B2, vitamin K, and choline. These things are broccoli and has vitamin E, iron, and B3. Mushrooms have a lot of zinc, iron, and B2 inside. So chickpeas have copper, vitamin E, and folate. This big old slab of beef has vitamin B6, vitamin B5, and potassium inside. And all of this kale over here has selenium, vitamin E, and manganese. So nowadays we all live fairly busy lifestyles, right? And we're getting home fairly late and we might not have time to cook. I think cooking all of these together is about an hour or a 2 hour long affair. And if you don't have time to do that every single day, then you're missing out on a lot of the vitamins and minerals your body might require. And remember, when it comes to nutrition, it's not a one and done approach. It's actually a long game. Consistency and quantity is what you need to go for. That means you need to keep on top of this every single day. If we're not able to get all of this every single day, then what is the solution? Well, what we can do is get all of these vitamins and minerals into this bag over here. This is an intravenous solution bag. So right now, this is just a bag of normal saline, which is salty water. But we can take all of those fruits and vegetables and condense them into these vitamins over here. And this can go straight into this bag here. So this IV bag is now full of those vitamins and minerals that I mentioned earlier, and a lot more. But one of the benefits of doing it this way is that we can put this straight into your veins. This skips past the digestive process and enables much higher absorption into your body. Don't forget, when you're eating this food, it does have to get past your stomach acid, and that can affect the absorption rates of a lot of those ingredients. Now, I've got a bit more to say about this, but while I'm doing this, I may as well plug myself in. I'll see you downstairs. So, as you can see that I'm plugged in at the moment, this is the IV bag I was talking about earlier. This is the one that has all the vitamins and minerals inside. But IV therapy can be multi-purpose. We can use them in terms of when you're feeling low, when you're feeling unwell. We can give anti-inflammatories and other things to make you perk up. Also, if you're feeling really, really tired for no reason, there are some that actually boost your energy. There's even some that are useful as a really high antioxidant formulation that can give you a glow to your skin, as well as potentially lighten your skin as well. So when you do purchase a bag for us, you will be asked to come in for a consultation with a medical professional, either myself or another medical professional, where we will review your health history and make sure which IV bag is right for you. We'll go through different options and we'll make even sometimes a custom formulation depending on what you need. Once we've decided exactly which one you need, then we'll set you up somewhere nice and comfortable like this. You'll have food and drink available for yourself, and we'll get the bag ready for you. None of our bags are pre-made. We always make them on the day when the patient walks in. That way we can ensure quality and freshness. Depending on which one you're going for, the procedure will last between 30 to 60 minutes. And don't stress, if you can't come to us, then we'll come to you, because we also do these in the safety of your own home. It's important for me to note at this point in time that this is not a replacement for a healthy, balanced diet. Remember earlier, I did say that the nutrition game is a long and consistent game. It's quantity and consistency. Small amounts every single day will bring you big benefits. But if you can't follow that plan of yours, then this can be a lifesaver. I'll put some of the prices of our different IV products up here on the page for you now, and I look forward to seeing you soon here at Royal Wharf Clinic.